we are really pleased with Wow World of Windows and Doors. Once we had a thought of getting this balcony connected to our drawing room, we contacted the team. Prateek came to our place. He's from the sales team, I guess, and he understood our requirements very well, what actually we wanted. I would say that the windows, once they were installed, they're very easy to operate. The sliders are very smooth and effortlessly they open. And even the finishing and the look of the window aesthetically also, it makes my living room really look very beautiful. Yes, I would highly recommend them to anybody who's looking for the best top-notch solutions for their doors and windows. And I would personally rate them 10 out of 10 because I am really happy with what they have delivered to us.
The operation of these windows, it is quite convenient and efficient. What we wanted was, we needed an open space. We wanted to connect the balcony and our living area together. So I would recommend Wow, again World of Windows. Please come and contact them and they'll give you a proper solution for everything.